I'm back. I thought you would have some fun with this. I wish I had a live stream camera out here, but I don't. Maybe next year. So I bought some pumpkins for the birds. No idea how I just paused that. Anyway, what you do is you just take off the orange skin, and the birds will finish your pumpkin for you. So, this one's kind of hard. I will put this one over here. Well, let's put it over here. For Lucky and Lucy. I hear you, Lucy. Look at that cool pumpkin. And they don't seem to care, do they? I put it down in the chicken coop and they were like all over it. And that was maybe 10 minutes ago. So we will go walk over there. Maybe they're shy. Are they shy? You guys, girls, gotta back up. We're gonna go to the chicken coop. Raven and Lover. They both have to get in your face. Sorry, this is going to take a minute. Here, I'll see if I can do it this way so you see what I have to go through. They both have to help me. I don't want your help, sweet girl. Okay, so let's go see what they did to their pumpkin. And I have to lock this, otherwise Prissy will open it up. So far. Look how that goes in. They ate a lot so far. So I'll come back tomorrow and we'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks. Sorry, we lost our signal. But they really like it. And these New Hampshire Reds are so mean. I am not getting those anymore. Although the eggs I have are going to be Cali Hampshire, so but maybe they'll be nicer. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. All right. I gotta go in and get something to eat. Thanks for watching. Do you want to say bye, Petunia? Say bye. Say see you tomorrow. Okay. Okay.